Hey, what's up, guys? I'm going to show you how to loosen or tighten this fastener. So what's up? I have a sink faucet. It's the brand Kraus, and it was loose. So I went underneath to tighten it up, and then I seen this guy, and I don't know what's going on with this guy. I've never seen this type of fastener before. Long story short, it's Kraus's like quick dock coupler fastener they made, and their videos, they're really proud of it. Basically, when someone installs a sink, they could just do the tightening from above instead of just going under the sink. It's kind of more work than it saves, I think. But for us, basically all you do is tighten this bolt that's on top of the connector. It only tightens from the top. You have to remove the top of the faucet. You do that by removing a little screw on the back, and then you could kind of lift it up. There's actually a little bit more to it than that. I should be straightforward. But this hex bolt comes off, and then you got to do some things, and then you can have access to the bolt to tighten it. But anyways, full video below on how to do it. And also you could check out Kraus's install video too. All right, I'll link it all below. Thanks for watching.